Nilfisk Alto introduces the Maxxi 2 Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. A simple and reliable wet and dry vacuum, setting new standards for wet and dry floor cleaning. The Maxxi 2 series contains a unique design and a multitude of features and innovations developed in partnership with our customers to ensure a machine that lives up to your expectations every day. The reliable and durable Maxxi 2 is suitable for a variety of jobs. For instance, automotive, building and construction, and industry. Maxxi 2 is the ultimate choice for creating a safe environment, cleaning up leaks, restoring comfort and pride, keeping the workplace safe and clean, preparing for the next job, or finishing up. What do you need from Maxxi 2? The Maxxi 2 comes in various configurations, and extra equipment is available for specific features, such as squeegee and flood pump. Maxxi 2 is available with a 35, 55 and 75 litre container to fit your daily requirements. The machine is designed with accessory storage, tube parking and cable storage to keep everything within reach. You can choose between single or dual motor to suit the job, ensuring optimal productivity for any given application. Reliability and ease of use are key points behind the development of the Maxxi 2. The unique design of filter and motor head gives you a trouble-free machine. The dual filtration system gives you an easy-to-use machine where you do not need to worry what type of filter is mounted for your specific job. The unique design of the dual filter enables Maxxi 2 to cope with liquid, dust, dirt and foam, all at the same time. The dual filter ensures the machine is always used correctly. After finishing your job, the container can be emptied nice and easily, either by using a drain hose or by tipping the machine and pouring the water out through the emptying spout. The fixed motor head acts as a counterbalance to the weight of the fluid, making the lift even easier. The hinged motor head makes inspection of the machine easy. Also, the single-handed locking mechanism makes the machine simple to operate. Alternatively, the motor head can also be lifted away from the container if required. Nilfisk Alto works for you.